Our roof forming machines are popular in many countries. Steelma is an influential roll forming machine supplier in China. L components are manufactured in our factory. We have over 20 years of experience in roll forming machines. This is why we are able to provide our customers with the best possible experience when using our machines. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 mm. The roll forming machine adopts automatic control and cut to length. The product length can be any size. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelma always give you proper solution.